What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, if we're looking for a project that has a decent amount of utility, as well as also having the popularity to match it, I feel as though the play that I'm bringing you guys today, the position that I'm bringing you guys today, the business that I'm bringing you guys today is one that you want to look into. Now, I suggest that you do the research on your own because there's a lot more than what I can go through in this video. And you can also, ask questions to whoever you need to ask questions to. But with the position that we have at hand, they're doing a little bit of everything and everything that we all want, right? We want adoption. We want utility. We want to be able to gain something from what we are holding. And honestly, that's what you gain there. When I look at things like CRO, I like the fact that you have it implemented within the cards, the crypto.com cards that they have, and what you're getting percentage back, and the staking that you're getting, and just all of these things that they do offer. And Retic Finance is actually one that does so much as well, and actually will give you a better percentage back. Don't tell anybody, but give you a better percentage back when it comes to the cards. And real quick, if you don't know about HG Access, HG Access actually mentioned Retic while it was at a lower price, and it definitely skyrocketed from there. So if you want access to some of these alphas, to some of these plays that are really starting out and we believe are going to run and provide you with larger returns, whether it's 100, 200, 500, 1000x return, feel free to check out HG Access down below. They do offer a lot. You can go and get access to their Discord group, as well as get access to just Patreon and get all the different plays that are there as well. So feel free to check out that link down below. It'll be right below all the Retic Finance information that's down there. So let's talk about this position. Let's talk about what it is, where it stands, and just as much information as we can go through within this video. So if you guys could make sure hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. All of the links for Retic Finance, I will provide those at the top of the description. Now, let's go ahead and dive into this. When we think of cryptocurrency, there's people that's more for the popularity side and more for the utility and adoption side. But when you can find something that has a level of popularity while also having that insane amount of adoption and use case to it, that's what we're looking for, right? Retic Finance is one that just came across my desk. I honestly wish it would have came across my desk before, the pre-sale has happened. But Retic Finance, it looks like a great project. Let's go through it. So step into the future of Retic Finance. Retic Finance innovates in DeFi with its futuristic DeFi debit cards and smart crypto payment gateway, AI-powered peer-to-peer lending, and multi-chain non-custodial high secure DeFi wallet, aiming to redefine global transactions. And again, they're doing a little bit of everything here. If you want to go into their white paper, you want to dive into it in depth, feel free to go ahead and do that. Obviously, we only have really a 10-minute video, 12-minute video to really go through this stuff. So if you want to go through that in depth, feel free to do it, as well as their audit and how to buy. Now, if you wanted to purchase it, you can go over here and look at the different charting systems on Coin Market Cap, on CoinGecko, on Dex Tools, and get a little bit of that information. Let's go into some of the detail of one part that I'm really excited about, which is the DeFi debit cards, right? I'm a big fan of Crypto.com's debit cards, and I gain about 3.75% back on the card that I do have, obviously with staking a certain amount of CRO. But when it comes to Retic Finance, here's the information behind the debit cards. So Retic debit cards redefine financial accessibility and security, offering anonymous transactions without the need for KYC, prioritizing user privacy. So the things that they do offer, right? Privacy, daily convenience, global accessibility, transaction efficiency, ATM accessibility, security, rewards programs, airport lounge access as well. You can go in here, you can get the Retic card if you want to, and provide your email and everything that you need to provide in order to get that. But they do have a reward system, right? So reward system and tier. So experience unprecedented rewards with Retic's DeFi debit cards. If we scroll down here and look at what those rewards are, silver, right, will offer you 2.5% cash back. which is $10 what the card costs. Gold will offer you what I'm getting with the crypto.com card, but honestly not putting up as much money as what I had to put up with the crypto.com card and consistently hold there. So $49 will get you 3.75% cash back. And then diamond would be $100 and you would get 5% cash back. So honestly, they're offering more than what you can get at a standard rate over there. So honestly, I'm a big fan of credit cards. I have my own credit card channel. I have my own, and I've talked about debit cards and how we have the rise of getting cash back with certain debit cards, especially in the crypto space. And this seems to be one of those. So you definitely want to give that a look if you're interested in getting any type of cash back on all of your spending, right? If you spend, you have a natural amount of bills, right? Money that goes towards bills and things that you spend on a debit card or whatever. That money you can now get 5% back if you decided to do it that route, and easily get a little bit extra to now put towards whatever you want to put towards. Like if you don't have enough money to invest into crypto, well, now having these debit cards, you might have, let's say, $1,000 here that you're spending over on bills or whatever. So you now get 5% back that you can put towards whatever crypto spending that you want. So definitely go ahead and check that out if you guys are interested in the debit cards. But other things that they do have in the ecosystem, you have the DeFi debit cards, you have a payment gateway, seamlessly accept cryptocurrency in your online business, expanding payments or payment options for your customers. DeFi wallet, you have a swap aggregator, you have an AI powered peer-to-peer lending. Let our powerful AI analyze lending options for you, ensuring you get the best and the most profitable lending solution. And then perpetual futures and options were involved in that. Also, you have real world crypto adoption. This is what we all ask, right? When we think about cryptocurrency, and when anybody outside of the crypto world thinks about cryptocurrency, they're always asking about what it does, how it's implemented into real world society, right? And that's what you have here. So Retek Finance is committed to bridging the gap between the crypto realm and real life utility. Our mission extends beyond digital transactions as we believe in bringing cryptocurrency to the forefront of everyday experiences. We understand that true adoption goes beyond the virtual realm, and that's why we're pioneering real life integration like never before. Now, if we go into a little bit of detail here, just to show you kind of what they have here. So I want to go into maybe the dashboard. That's where I saw it. So when you go into the pre-sale, just to understand the popularity, right? You go into the dashboard, it shows exactly what their listing price was, right? 15 cents. You can see here that this is how much USDT was raised, which is $32 million worth of USDT that was raised. It shows its level of popularity, which honestly is great to see. And then if you wanted to buy Retek Finance, just click buy. You'll be able to buy in different places. I will show you that. I'm going to go over to CoinMarketCap right now. And if you wanted to review it, I'll go over to CoinMarketCap. But before we do that, I want to show you the Twitter account to, again, show you a little bit of popularity. 57.1 thousand followers here on Twitter. Decent amount of engagement and all of that. If you want to reach out to them, obviously, tag them in a post and talk to them and see what it's all about. But now let's get into the good stuff, right? The actual position. We have Retek Finance here, which is currently sitting at $2.19, a listing price of 15 cents, and now it's at $2.19. You can see the level of growth that this has had. Now, currently, you're seeing a fully diluted market cap of $2.2 billion, where it currently sees about $14 million worth of volume for the last 24 hours. If we talk about the markets that's available on, MEXC, LBank, Bitmart, you have 14 total pairings that are there where you can swap for, you can hold, you can buy. If you want to buy on Uniswap and hold on Uniswap, you can do that. But honestly, it looks like it has a lot of upside. If we go into the last 7 days, it's up by 17% there. If we look at the last month, it's up by that 17% there. So I guess you're seeing it listed on CoinMarketCap more recently. But the point is that you're seeing a $14 million that's going through this in the last day, and it has a level of popularity to it because of that volume that's happening there. So again, you have multiple markets that you could purchase it on. You have popularity, you have a use case, you have a lot of things that you honestly want. And the crazy thing is, HG Access, HG Access actually mentioned this recently. So if you're not familiar with HG Access, feel free to go and check out that link down below where you can get access to many different, not only many different YouTubers, but many different things that or different alphas that are out there, different plays that are out there, and plays like Retek, right? Something that starts at 15 cents and goes up to a level of $2. They've mentioned this, prior to today, prior to this week, and we see the level of impact that it does have over here. So I'm trying to get over here to see if I can, break this down and get into HG Access really quick. But I don't seem to have the ability to do that right now because this is a brand new computer. But still, you have HG Access. Feel free to go and check it out. The link will be down there in the description, right under all of the Retek information. You can get access to different alphas like this, and they have different levels of sign up that you can be a part of. So feel free to check all that stuff out down below. If you guys are interested in Retek, again, all of the information for that will be down below. HG Access will be right below that. But I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.